Good morning, everybody. It's 5:20 right now, and I'm waiting for my brother to come down and going for hiking. So this will be my first time going for hiking, and it's like a spontaneous act because at 4:30 we texted in the group chat. At first I said I was hungry, that's why I wake up early, and then we were like talk, and then suddenly my brother said, let's go hiking. Whoa, I was like, I'm hungry, not energetic. But in the end, yeah, we decided to go for a hike and check it out later. Hungry become hiking.
Mau mấy? Đây à, mua cái kẹo kẹo.
Silakan mau. Why am I doing this? I'm supposed to be cooking Maggi at home. Makan. Lagi rasa lapar.
For fitness! Fitness!
Sementara si Estelle jadi
Dia lagi best. Tidur. Boleh tidur balik.
A few moments later.
Yes, we have arrived. Saint Florian Church. Saint Flora Church, and we're gonna start our hiking now.
Wih, ayam punya kandang. Tak mau lah. Pasal tu kesut tak ngamuk.
Licin. Dari tangga.
Oh, ada tangga. Tapi dia pintu masuk tuh emang sini lah. Oh, tak pernah kami jalan ke sini.
Thank you. We're at starting point now. Here. Woo. Baru starting point already chat here. My GoPro. My GoPro.
Ini kali lah.
Makin aku lapar.
Yes. Super early in the morning, 5:30. Came here, and right now it's already 6 a.m. 6 a.m. So now we are coming up to the hill. That 500-meter mark.
And I almost fainted just now. And I puked a little bit.
Yeah, very good for a bit pizza.
And you can see the view a little bit over there. And yes, let's continue. Finally, I've reached the top with a few hiccups in the middle. I was like not feeling well, like the headache coming in because my heart was pumping too fast, and I felt like I'm floating that time. And then I almost vomit, like huge vomit, but a little bit only. But at least I reached the top. Never give up. Oh, the sun. Okay, enough of resting. So we have been on the top for more than 10 minutes, and now the time is 6:55, and it's time for us to head down back to the base. Woo!
That's very great. Finger. Look at the size of that.
Hello, this
Hello.
one is buah, we call it kadasan buah tumatak.
Buah tumatak.
Ya. Kami dulu tinggal di kampung-kampung atas bukit. This one banyak tumbuh di hutan. This one tiap ya kau tanam sendiri.
Oh,
Buah-buahan na liar.
nice.
So we call it
Wah,
buah
pahit, toh.
tumatak. Can eat. Ini tidak racun. Ini boleh makan.
Okay, but pahit.
Ada pahit sedikit. Kalau yang terlampau hitam sudah, itu manis.
Oh, okay.
Dia punya the feeling of it kan macam lekat-lekat ni. Ah, ada biji kah?
Ada.
Oh shit,
Telan. Dia pelan.
I gigit the biji
Oh,
sekali.
it's okay, no problem. This one.
So that's why dia macam
Ini mau dekat mau masak sudah bani. You see this one yang ada. Okay, like this one lah. Ini mau kira mau masak sudah nih. Satu hari ada macam mau hitam. Then you eat ada sweet a little bit. This is my favorite. Ini favorite saya masa saya kecil-kecil.
Okay.
First time mau ambil lepak ni.
Ya, first
Ya
time.
boleh makan nih. Awet muda.
Awet
Awet muda,
Oh,
oi.
patutlah.
Bye, thank you. Have fun.
Bye.
The taste not bad. It's just that I bite the seed together, so that's why it feel like a bit of bitter. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta concentrate on this steep step, and there's a nail over there. All right.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we are back at the starting point already. Yeah, I did it! Woo! First time hiking. That was like the best experience ever, even though I had a few hiccups and I fell here just now. Belum lagi di starting point sudah jatuh. Now we're walking back to our parking, and yay! And we are passing by the duck farm again. Alright, there's a lot of mosquitoes over here, so we gotta go fast. Ooh. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow up with my updates, and see you guys again next time. Bye! Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel.